Time to power up. Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a really beautiful neutral halo and makeup creation, and if you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then stick around with me and keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, once the face and brows are complete, we're going to focus on these eyes, and right here, very sloppily, I added a light brown shade all around my lid and a little bit into the crease. Then with a medium shade brown, I'm going to focus this a little less sloppily into the crease, and then with a really tiny defined brush and a very dark brown shade, I'm going to work that right into the crease so it's nice and defined and really pops. Now, using that same dark shade, I'm going to go ahead and start to create the halo effect. So I'm building it in the outer third, and then I'm also going to build that dark shade on the inner portion of my eye as well. Once I have that to my liking, I'm like, all right, it's good so far, we're gonna cut the crease. So picking up a concealer brush, I chose a really teeny tiny one, especially since I have tiny eyes. They're so tiny, brushes are so helpful. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to work this concealer on my eyelid, and then I started to thin it out as I got closer to my lash line. Picking up a beautiful champagne shimmer shadow, I'm going to pack this right over that concealer. Then with a very teeny tiny detail brush, I'm using medium brown and blend that into the dark brown and into the champagne color. Once that's complete and we've caught both of the eyes up, we're going to go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. Starting with a little pop of color, I'm going to work this shade into the inner portion and going almost midway. Then with a lighter brown shade, I'm going to work that from the coral towards the outer third of my lower lash line, and then picking up a really nice deep dark brown and blend that into a lighter shade. I grabbed a beautiful gold liner for my lower waterline, and once that's complete, I'm going to add my false lashes. I've been using magnetic lashes lately, and I've been really enjoying them. So after I put the magnetic liner on, I added my mascara, and then of course, pop those lashes on nice and quick. I really wanted to jazz up my lids a little more, so I picked up a glitter liner from Decay and put that all over the champagne color. Now for setting, so I'm going to go ahead and give a quick spritz, give a quick fan, and then after that I like to set my face a little more just to make it extra matte. So forehead, inner portions of my cheeks, and my chin. Now for highlight, I'm going to get all the sweet spots, guys. Inner corner, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cheekbones, and you guys know I love sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Lastly, add a pop of red, and that is it. This is the finished halo makeup look. I hope that all of you enjoyed, and I hope all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Take care.
Bingo, ling fucker.
Makes a mistake, it's called pulling a dick.